Hello everyone, welcome back. This is just a follow-up video on the Leobog Hi75. If you haven't seen that review before, you can find the link over here. So, the Hi75 keyboard stock plate is a polycarbonate plate. It's nice and soft and flexible, but I am just going to be honest. To me, I find it very low quality compared to what I have tried before. I mean, for that price point, yes, I have zero complaints about it, but still, it bothers me a lot. Of course, that's just me, okay? So please do not hate me for saying this, so just chill and relax. In order for me to have a peace of mind, I bought another plate for this keyboard. It's an FR4 plate. Very good looking premium piece of art. A very sturdy one, as you can see, and it cost me around 900 pesos or $20, and I'm going to see if this will give me the pure satisfaction that I am looking for on this keyboard. So I will now install this FR4 plate and test it right away. And there you have it. The difference is not really a day and night when it comes to typing sound, but a half a day maybe. The feedback is better than the PC plate. It's solid and louder, and you can notice that right away. It made this keyboard looks more premium too, just the way I like it. So now I am at peace. Hope you guys find this video useful. If you want to buy one, link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.